Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Czech Republic, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Right, open description and copy coupon Rom Tips and click on link Wi-Fi and write this. Right, and click on this and open new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fix it. I'm select unlimited and choose a speed plane, light, slow speed, plus, medium speed and premium, this very fast speed, and select days 1, 5 or 20 or 30 days. Alright, click on this and click on buy it now. This service number one for eSim. Alright, and open new page and click on this discount code and write or paste ROAM tips and click on apply. Alright, and total USD $150.25, and click on Google Pay and buy eSim, or write email, write payment, write billing address and buy now and buy eSim. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.